Hi friends, thought of sharing something which I'm working on. So last month Vikram official title teaser was released. So this in this so so I like this backdrop and that cottage out there. So I thought of replicating uh, So I thought of making something similar to this in Unreal Engine. I'm trying to use the free assets available in Unreal Marketplace along with megascans. So, so this is what I've come up so far. So I made the house. Lighting is not a rebuild, so just made the house with an assumption of how it would look like on the other side. So in this video, we just have the front view and some inner view of how the house will look like. So I just took few screenshots of the house to assume how it would look like on the other sides. So I just made some progress in getting this done. With some parts interiors already done. And I'm still working on the furniture part. So I have to place things to some extent at least similar to what is there in the video. I'm not sure if I'll be able to achieve photorealism, but still I would like to try something new. So thought of replicating what I saw in the video. I shall release a video once it is completed. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.